For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
Shopping malls across the country will reopen on June 8th, and all precautionary measures are being taken by the establishments to make it a safe, comfortable and happy experience for the shoppers who will be frequently visiting the malls. Shopping malls get frequented by a large number of people for shopping, entertainment and food. To prevent the spread of COVID-19 infection, it is important that social distancing and other preventive measures are followed. It has been taken up as an additional responsibility by the mall administration to install disinfectant tunnels at the entry and exit points of malls. All the baggage will also be disinfected that will be brought into malls. The owners of apparel stores have said that customers will not be allowed to use trial rooms and they will not be allowed to try on the clothes that have been bought, keeping the safety in mind. Shopping malls in containment zones shall remain closed. Only those outside containment zones will be allowed to open up. Entrance to have mandatory sanitizer dispenser and thermal screening provisions. Only asymptomatic customers shall be allowed. All workers and customers to be allowed entry only if using face masks. Posters on preventive measures about COVID-19 to be displayed prominently. Staggering of visitors to be done if possible. Physical distancing of 6 feet should be maintained. Adequate manpower shall be deployed by mall management for ensuring social distancing norms. Proper crowd management in the parking lots and outside the premises. Valet parking, if available, shall be operational with operating staff wearing face masks and gloves. Specific markings may be made with sufficient distance to manage the queue. Separate entry and exit for visitors, workers and goods or supplies shall be organized. The staff for home deliveries shall be screened thermally by the shopping mall authorities. Number of customers inside the shop to be kept at a minimum so as to maintain the physical distancing norms. Seating arrangement, if any, to be made in such a way that adequate social distancing is maintained. Number of people in the elevators shall be restricted. Use of escalators with one person on alternate steps may be encouraged. Effective and frequent sanitization within the premises shall be maintained. Cleaning and regular disinfection of frequently touched surfaces made mandatory in all the malls. Deep cleaning of all washrooms shall be ensured at regular intervals. In food courts and restaurants and malls, not more than 50% of seating capacity will be permitted. Food court staff should wear masks and hand gloves. The seating arrangement should ensure adequate social distancing between patrons. Contactless mode of ordering and digital mode of payment using e-wallets to be encouraged. Tables to be sanitized each time a customer leaves. Gaming arcades, children play areas, cinema halls inside shopping malls shall remain closed. Ministry of Home Affairs has also said that the mall administration should be ready for any emergencies and have said that protocols will have to be followed at all points of time. Place the ill person in a room or area where they are isolated from others. Provide a mask till such time that the person is examined by a doctor. Immediately inform the nearest medical facility or call the state or district helpline. A risk assessment will be undertaken by the designated public health authority. Disinfection of the premises to be taken up if the person is found positive. The mall owners are confident that the customers will be back and they will also adjust with the new rules and that there would be no problem at all.